You can also use Microsoft Edge to view PDF files and use it as a PDF viewer. So over here in my YouTube drive, you can see that I got a PDF folder where I have some PDF files right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and access this PDF. So right now, another browser is the default for this PDF. So I'm just going to go around and right click and open this up with Microsoft Edge itself. And once you open that up, you can see that this is Microsoft Edge and it views the PDF right here. And there's some tools right here, like you can see the content on the left hand side and you can see the thumbnails, or you can see the titles that you can see right here. You can go around and utilize the highlight tool to highlight out contents right over here as well, just like this. You can click and drag to highlight them out. You can go around and draw directly, as you can see right here, and there's different colors that you can go around and mark out as well, or you can erase them as well. You can also go around, take the text tool and then comment out whatever you want right here. And you can see that this is a text editor, and you can go around and expand and then choose the text color as you like, just like this, and then type in different comments. So that is what you have. You even see that you have an option to actually go around and translate it. So if I were to go around over here, you can select the text right here, just like this. So let me just go around and disable the text tool. And let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and select thank you right here. You can go around and translate it out into another language of your choice right here, just like that as well. And this is what you have. And over here you can see that you can go around and zoom it and zoom out, and you can go around and see, let's say for example, another page right here, just like this, and so forth. And then you can rotate it out as well, just like this. So apart from that, you can go around and see the two-page view right here, or you can view a single page, as you can see right here. And you can go around and find out contents over here as well. Let's say for example, if I were to go around and say table, then it highlights table right here. And say category right here, just like this, then it highlights category right here. You can go back and forth. So you can go around over here and print this out, or you can even save this out right here with all of the comments and everything else. And you can also go around and enter the full screen mode right here, or press escape to go back. And then you even have settings, like you can pin the toolbars right here, just like this, or you can go around and hide all annotations, that is whatever extra comments or whatever you have added in, or you can view the document properties right here. So you can see that this is how you can utilize the Microsoft Edge browser as a PDF viewer. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.